Guys, let's go see what Jay got.
As big as my hand.
Oh boy. What is it? Oh, check that out, guys, huh? That's quite the key. Holy smokes. Looks like a jailer's key. Safe key, maybe?
I don't know.
Yeah, neither do I. But yeah, it's the biggest one I've ever seen.
Thing's huge.
Check that out, huh? Very nice. Yeah, got some weight to it, too.
I thought when I pulled it up, I saw like this part, and I thought it was going to be a copper pipe or something.
Oh, very, very nice. All right, guys, we'll clean it up at the end, and we'll show you, see if there's any markings on it. But awesome, awesome. All right, we'll see you on the next good target.